The universe always takes care of me. I am a powerful being coming to this physical world to experience, learn, and create, making a meaningful contribution to the world. And I am wonderfully compensated for my contribution, creating my life according to my dominant belief, and I am improving the quality of those beliefs, increasingly confident in my ability to create the life I desire. I say thank you to all the wonderful blessings in my life. I attract positive circumstances and positive people into my life. I believe myself and my own willpower. Everywhere I look, I see an opportunity to bring more wealth into my life. The universe constantly supplies money for me, and I always have enough money to fulfill my needs. The more I love myself, the more love I have to offer. When you question how things will manifest, you send the universe mixed signals. The universe is working overtime to deliver my manifestation. My angels are conspiring to help me create the life of my dreams. I am here on this earth to experience greatness. This coming days going to be amazing, divine, and miracles. I am grateful and excited to enjoy every moment of it. The all universe and entire mankind is conspiring to make me prosperous and abundant. I let go of all resistance to prosperity, and it comes to me naturally. I love to know that I am the creator of my own experience. I look forward to only good things from now on. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I feel my best when I exercise regularly. Nothing can stop me from becoming the strongest version of myself. I am open to all new possibilities to grow my wealth. My bank account is overflowing with money. My uniqueness make me great. I care for myself emotionally, physically, mentally, and spiritually. Today's pain is tomorrow's power. I am positive, passionate, and successful. I am transforming my life using the law of attraction. I accept and allow success in all areas of my life. My dreams naturally manifest into reality every day. I have the ability to create anything I want. I allow the universe to do the manifesting and focus my attention in the present moment. I accept that my life is a reflection of my thoughts and feelings. I am totally confident in my ability to manifest an abundant and prosperous future. I empower my dream by directing all my thoughts and actions toward its manifestation. I fuel my desires with unlimited belief and accept that they are already manifesting for me. I regularly rehearse the feelings that realizing my dreams generates. I trust the law of attraction to take care of my every need. The conditions in my life are a reflection of my thoughts, actions, and reactions. My life is full of miracles.